What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Jay's Ballin 420 here. If you're trying to learn how to use StreamLabs OBS chat box, you came to the right place. Let's learn how to do this. Alright, now with StreamLabs chat box, what you're going to want to do is, first off, you're going to want to download it. So you can see clearly right here, it's streamlabs.com/chatbox. Just download it. Then what you're going to do second, this will pop up. Basically with this window is your HUD, so everything that's going to go on your stream will be in this area. But what you're going to want to do is come right down to the left hand corner and it'll say connections right down here in the bottom. You're going to click on that and then it should pop up a little section saying Twitch bot, Twitch streamer, Discord, all that. You're going to want to click on Twitch streamer, type in your Twitch channel, and then generate a token. Now it's whenever you click on the generate a token, because that token thing will be empty until you do that. It'll ask you to authorize your account. Go ahead and connect it, and then you're going to want to make a fake account. So basically just go to twitch.tv/sign up, make you a fake Twitch account. Like mine's Jay's Little Bot, that's my other account on Twitch, and basically you're going to give it permission to type things in your chat and do stuff for your channel. So that comes to the next step. You're going to mod it. Now if you just go over to your channel, type in the description box down in the right hand corner /mod, and then the name of your channel. Like I said, mine was Jay's Little Bot, and then press enter. It should say this bot is now a moderator of this channel. It's really simple. And then you're gonna go back to your StreamLabs chat box and you're gonna click on Twitch bot. Now under bot name, you're gonna put in your fake Twitch account, and then under streamer channel, you're gonna put in whatever you're gonna be streaming to on your channel. So like for example, my bot, Jay's Little Bot, streamer channel Jay's Ballin. You're gonna want to generate a token again, and it'll ask you to authorize once again, and then you connect it. Then I mean you've got it set up. But yeah, man, I hope this helped you out. It's really good. I suggest you get it, especially if you have StreamLabs OBS. I use it all the time. There's also a link in the description so you can download it. I make like 10 cents off of that, and it's free to you. So, but it's a great program. I use it every day. The couple quick things that you can do on it: you can update your title to your games. You can bet. There's games that you could play, like let's say two people are fighting in your chat, they can duel it out. It's really cool. Like it brings up a lot of social interaction within your chat. So I hope this helped out. Again, I will be doing more videos on this subject, so be ready for those to come out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remember, like, subscribe, hit me up over on Twitch, and see you later. Keep on gaming.